Hi everyone, this is Diana from Sweet and Savory, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious creamy Cajun chicken pasta in less than 30 minutes. I'm going to leave you the link for the recipe in the info box below, but you can also find it at sweetysalado.com/en. To make this recipe, we're going to cook the pasta in plenty of salted boiling water according to the instructions on the package. As for the pasta, I am using penne, but I've also made this recipe with rigatoni and fettuccine and it comes out delicious. We're going to cook the pasta, drain it, and then set it aside. For the chicken, we're going to be using chicken breasts, but you can also use chicken thighs. And we're going to season both sides with plenty of salt to taste. And we're also going to season them with Cajun seasoning or Cajun spices, and you can easily find these at any grocery store. Another thing that I do is that I pound both chicken breasts with a meat mallet, and that way they're about the same size and they can cook evenly in the pan. To cook the chicken, we're going to heat some olive oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. We're going to add the chicken, and we're going to cook the chicken for about 6 to 7 minutes per side, or until they register an internal temperature of 165. Once they're cooked, we're going to remove them from the pan, let them rest for a few minutes, and then we're going to cut them into slices. And now we're going to make the sauce. We're going to lower the heat to medium-low, melt some butter in the same pan where we cooked the chicken, and now we're going to add lots of garlic. I use about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. We're going to cook this for about 1 minute as we scrape off all of that chicken flavor. To this, we're going to be adding heavy cream. If you want a lighter sauce, you can use half and half, and we're also going to season this with more Cajun seasoning and give it a stir. And now we're going to be adding lots of Parmesan cheese. You can add as much or as little as you want. I love to use fresh Parmigiano Reggiano that I grate at home because fresh Parmesan cheese will always give you the best flavor and texture. You can find it at any grocery store and you can use any brand that you want. Once the cheese is melted, we're going to season it with salt to taste, depending on how salty your Parmesan cheese is, and then we're just going to let it simmer for a few minutes until it thickens. Now we're going to mix our cooked pasta with the sauce, and if you notice that your sauce is too thick or is getting too thick, you can add a little bit of pasta water. Finally, if you want, you can add some fresh Italian parsley. This is mainly to add more flavor and a little bit of color. And then all you have to do is either mix the chicken with the pasta or nestle it right on top. And that's your recipe for making the most delicious creamy Cajun chicken pasta.